Okay, let's try this Betty Cracker sugar cookie mix. First of all, we'll add 3 tablespoons flour and 1 stick melted unsalted butter and 1 egg. Mix them well until the dough becomes soft. Okay, your dough is done. Put some flour on it. Rolling your dough in 1/4 inch thick. When I'm rolling the dough, I'm gonna put a food wrap on it because my friends told me it can make the dough surface even. After that, you can use any cookie cutter you have and cut them in pieces. Today I'm gonna use the ghost and pumpkin cookie cutter because it's a Halloween. And now put them onto the ungreased cookie sheet one by one. Be careful, and you can slow down a little bit on this step. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake them 5 to 7 minutes. Dun, cookies ready, almost done. Let them sitting on the cookie rack a little bit, then we can start to decorate. Okay, the cookie is ready. I'm gonna make some icing. Today I'm gonna use this canned frosting to make some pumpkin color icing. It was very hard to find an orange color back icing, so I'm gonna try to make by myself. Added half cup of powdered sugar. I just found this recipe online. If you're interested in it, please check the link under my video. I bought this white cookie icing at Walmart. If you're interested in it, you can check it out. Slow down a little bit and get more patience. You're almost done. Finally, I made 24 pieces of each shape. And all of these cute Halloween cookies are for my love, little Will. Hope he and his friends enjoy these cookies. And I spent 3 to 4 hours on making these cookies. I would say not bad. I've learned a lot on this time, so I think I can do better. Next time, maybe Christmas cookie. Come on, stop buying those holiday cookies at grocery store. I can make it, so you can make it. Let's make some fun and some good memories for the holiday. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really need your encouragement to do the next baking. Really appreciate. See you next time.